Hi, I'm also here to talk to you about the Gaggenau dishwasher. They offer a push to open. You want a handleless kitchen? Gaggenau will offer you that option. We have the chef's drawer. This is for your small cups, your chef's tools, whether it's a ladle, spoon, an espresso cup. It'll fit in that drawer. It'll allow you to either sanitize your wash and give you control from the heaviest, dirtiest pots and pans to your wine glasses and to your more delicate washing cycles. It gives you all these beautiful controls. And what's also nice is the rack system. It allows you to store as many wine glasses as you can fit and a soft closed door. Stainless steel interior. These dishwashers are built to last. It's quiet, it's efficient, and it's best in class. To come and experience Gaggenau in person, come to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance, Costa Mesa, Studio City, and Calabasas.